Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame we can see that gold is currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture looking at the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly perspective, gold is a long term bullish market. We see that from this monthly support, gold has this impulse that has in fact created an overextended market to the upside, creating an all-time high. This is the last visited price, which is the historical high. Gold has broken that level and then immediately rejected towards the downside. Now with that rejection we see that gold has now coming down for a deeper pullback. Now we could see a bit more down before creating any bullish move again on gold, as it has triggered huge liquidity in that resistance. We can expect the price to come down for another liquidity grab from the bottom. If we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly perspective, previous week gold has formed a typical bullish candle. If we look at this support on gold, we see that previous week gold has broken this support, grabbed the liquidity from this zone and has formed this long bullish candle, which in fact has a long wick at the top and also healthy body with a liquidity grab, which is a typical bullish candle. Now as a result, this week once the market opened, after opening with a gap, gold initially had a bounce to the upside. Now with that bounce we see that again gold coming down for another retest. Now we see the previous resistance zone above this long doji on the weekly, which is turning support here, which has not been tested yet. What I think that gold may come down further to test this level or even test this support, and then may continue to rise again to march with its long term uptrend. Now, if we look at the daily, we see that from the daily perspective, there was an impulse to the upside, created this all time high, has come back down to the previous resistance, which is the smart money area, which is daily resistance, turn support here, created this long week candle and another impulse to the upside. Now we see gold again coming down to test this level, which also the resistance turn support along with the daily 20 EMA. We could see that gold after testing this zone along this zone may continue to reverse again based on the lower time frame price action. If we look at the 15 minutes chart, we see that gold is still in this local time frame is bearish. We see there was an impulse here, correction. Now it is trying to break again, still has not tested this 20 EMA, which is this dotted line, also an important level, resistance here, support here, and also turning support in that zone. So this is the zone that I'll be waiting for a potential reversal, as this is a very important area of value. If we see that gold is reacting along this zone with a reversal pattern, then we will consider potentially going long on gold based on that lower time frame price action. On the other hand, if we see that gold is showing further downside, then we will be waiting for a retest of this level here before moving to the upside. There are two possible scenarios, either to test this long-term weekly support and to go bullish, or we could see a reversal from that zone. Based on the price action confirmation, we will consider going long on gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.